So today I'll be showing you how to stop your iPhone from sending SMS text messages. Now, if normally you use iMessage and you're trying to send an iMessage and for some reason iMessage is not available, either due to internet connectivity or some other reason, then your iPhone automatically tries to send an SMS text message. Now, keep in mind that SMS messages are paid for. You have to pay them with depending on your carrier charges. And so to stop that, you can go into settings. So on the main settings page, you scroll down, tap on apps, and then from the list of apps, go and find messages and tap on that. Now under messages, if you scroll down, you will see the option retry as text message. So this happens when you're trying to send an iMessage and iMessage is not possible. Your phone tries to send an SMS text message instead. So you can turn that off so that when you don't have iMessage, then the text message will the message will not be sent until you have connectivity again so that your phone does not send SMS messages. You can do that if you're not trying to pay for the carrier charges for SMS service. Thanks for watching and good luck.